Hey everyone,
Place I can see on you.
Dave from Corso here, with my potential partner in crime.
Hey everybody, Alex from Corso here.
Now, I'm drinking my coffee.
And I'm drinking my water.
Did water change your life, Alex?
It did, with this water bottle.
It was that water bottle. Thank you, Samantha.
Yep.
So, we're continuing along our Ignition Explained series, and we're going to talk about reporting.
Yes. So we've already talked Vision, SQL Bridge, Tag Historia.
Yep.
We'll link to those down below. And
We also probably just listed them right here.
That's true.
I don't know how to link inside a YouTube video. We're not that.
We could point to where the link is. I love it when they do that and then they point in the wrong direction.
Oh, I love that too.
So yeah, today we're going to talk about the reporting module.
Yep.
Basically, if you want to have reports in the form of a document that you would pull up, like a batch report or a downtime report, or any other sort of a report, generally something you would have in an Excel document.
Mm-hmm.
Reporting module is the way to go for that.
Yeah.
It gives you...
I was going to say, if you want reports, you need the reporting module.
Yes. So it allows you to design and develop the reports, pull in all the data, the historical queries, trends, pictures, logos, all kinds of different stuff. It's probably the best option for doing reports. You could theoretically integrate something like Crystal Reports.
Which is terrible. Have you ever used Crystal Reports?
Yeah, it's bad.
Yeah.
Or like SQL Server Management Studio, but that would be something where you pull Ignition data from a database into that system, not build something in the Ignition designer.
Yeah.
So that would be more of, you have multiple different tools that you're using.
Which just sounds painful as we're saying it out loud.
It also allows you to automatically generate reports based on like a schedule or based on tag events. We've set up with the web dev module where you can access a report via a URL. So in like a material management system or in a CRM or an ERP interface, you send over a URL to the Ignition server, hit the web dev module, and generate a report. So it just automatically opens a PDF in your browser, or you can download it.
Yep.
You can also save the reports as PDFs, as image files, print them out, email them around, and basically do whatever you need. Then you can also schedule them to be emailed out every day at 5 p.m. or whatever.
All within your Ignition Vision client.
Yep. Or outside if the automated scheduling happens just on the gateway level.
Yeah, but I was saying you can do everything.
Oh, yeah, you can schedule everything. Yeah, I would say reporting is maybe the first module that not everybody uses, because some people don't need reports, but like most places use it.
For most people, unless you're just doing straight control, like if you want reports and you want to be able to easily print something that is not a screenshot of like a dynamic screen that we've put together, you're going to want reporting. And I can't think of a job that we've done or talked about doing that didn't include some sort of reporting.
Yeah. I mean, I've done them in the past.
Yeah, but if you want reports, you need the reporting module.
And things that we've done with reports are basic production reports to show a trend for the last shift of the level in a tank.
Yeah.
We've done equipment inspection reports
Yep.
and also like certification reports. So if somebody needs to get a pipe welding certification, you could track information on that. We've also done batch reporting, so a particular run of a batch. Here's all the relevant data.
You could also track like calibrations and be able to print calibration reports. You could do your SPC or your OEE or your downtime tracking and be able to physically print a schedule through the reporting module. If you want to be able to easily print and easily interface into it via that, you're going to need the reporting module.
And also if you do any FDA or EPA reporting where they have a form you need to fill out, you could replicate the form in the reporting module or pull in a copy of that and fill it out.
And you know what's going to be awesome?
Auto-schedule that to be sent out to them.
When you said that, we just populated the EPA report that we have on this is now in the future,
Oh, okay.
and it's happened.
Awesome. Yeah, we've done that before where the EPA had an FTP site that they needed a report from a gold mine sent to for their cyanide usage and emissions and whatnot.
We just said gold and cyanide in the same sentence.
Well, cyanide dissolves gold out of ore.
It doesn't
It's a
matter.
fun process.
This is the
It's
blooper.
interesting how it works. But they had an FTP server that this mine had to send their report to on like a weekly or a monthly basis.
Yeah.
And we set it up to automatically generate the file, put it into the right place, and that was the end of that.
And we're working with some other for like waste management and wastewater, and some adult beverage locations. Don't know why I didn't say beer, but adult beverage locations in order to do their FDA or their IRS or other reports that they need to just be able to
the TTB report for their taxes.
So, if you've made it this far, you probably have the Vision module, you probably have your SQL Bridge module, you probably have your tag historian, which includes the store and forward, and now we're adding reporting, which you're almost definitely going to want.
Yeah.
If you get a proposal from Corso with ignition packages or a suggestion, it will have reporting because you are going to want reports from one of our systems.
Thanks for watching. And if you want to like, comment, or subscribe below and let us know what you'd like to see, we can include that in future videos.
Awesome. We're going to cut that into the beginning now.
Awesome.
High five.
What's next? And I don't have a fun anecdote of how you can break reporting. Because I would just use the reporting module.
What?
Yeah.
We finally found something that Alex is just going to use?
Yep. I mean, I'm going to use everything else. I'm just, as we're discussing things, finding the limits of these tools.
Yes.
And things that we haven't tried because we sold a package that has all the right tools that we need. So
Yes.
reporting's the first one that I haven't come up with a way to try anything crazy yet.
This is
to break it.
The bloopers are going to be the best part of these video series. Hopefully you guys watch to the end. This is the end.